My Miele dishwasher says the intake drain has a problem. What and where is that drain and how do I clear it?
Hello Cynthia, and thanks for choosing the JustAnswer.com appliance category. Can you provide a specific model number? ROMR 200941218.7948332523.
Miele Platinum model #XXXXX I believe the drain is clogged. Water won't drain fron washer.
Can you check the drain line? Most homes use an air gap. Check the air gap that drains from the dishwasher into the garbage disposal. Cut off power at the circuit breaker, near the electric meter usually labeled DW. Wait 20 minutes. Reapply power. Check the air gap for obstructions in the drain, turn off the power for the dishwasher at the circuit breaker panel, usually labeled DW. Check your air gap for partial clogging, and the resultant impaired draining of dirty dishwater. You can either stick your gloved finger into the outlet hole inside the garbage disposal to probe for blockage or remove the air gap cover and place a heavy drinking glass over it to catch the jet of water shooting up. If you have the less expensive air gap, you don't have a screw-on cap under the chrome cover, the cap can be removed by using two thin screwdrivers to pry up both plastic tabs at the same time. Click the link below for a video. http://www.youtube.com/watch V = RMG2JXQL 858, then turn the circuit breaker back on to test the pump again. The air gap usually gives a clear indication of the level of blockage by either leaking a little or a lot of water through the vent holes into the sink and by the sound of the water rushing through it. It is easy to check the force of drain stream from the dishwasher pump to the air gap. Remove the cap and cover of the air gap, place a clear, heavy glass over the air gap, move the dishwasher timer to the drain position, start the drain function, lift the glass to allow the water to escape, and you should see a strong stream of water until the dishwasher empties all the water. If the stream slows before the dishwasher empties, you know you have a clog somewhere before the air gap.
I do not have a garbage disposal or the air gap thing. I have used this washer as is for 6 years with no problem. Any other suggestions?
Since you don't have an air gap, you have to disconnect the drain hose of the dishwasher from the sewer connection under the sink. Use a bucket to catch the crud that will come out of the drain hose.
The problem is within the Miele dishwasher itself. Why I mentioned the make and model. I do not have a drainage problem, so my question was not answered. Please do not charge me as my question was not answered and I am consulting the Miele company direct. Thank you for trying, but I need a Miele expert.
If you already flushed out the drain hose, let me know and we can continue with the next step. Hello, my name is XXXXXXXXXX. I am an authorized Miele service tech and I can help you today if you still need it. If you are getting the intake/drain light error on your machine, then it is either one of two things. First, if the light comes on when the machine has just been started when it is filling, then the cause for the light and failure is with the water flow system, which is a fancy way of saying the water is not coming into the dishwasher. And if that is the case, I would advise cleaning out the screen or filter of the water valve. Sometimes sediment from the water will build up in the valve and will collect at the screen filter inside the valve. And if enough sediment builds up, it will clog the water and prevent it from coming into the dishwasher. And you would most likely notice less water than normal and a poor clean altogether from the dishwasher. Second, if you get the intake/drain error light after the machine has filled completely and has begun to wash but stops, then the error is with the circulation motor. This is the part that pressurizes the water to the wash arms that spin to clean the dishes. The light will usually come on when the dishwasher is in a cleaning or washing cycle, then pause and stop or immediately drain out. If this is the case, you may have a clogged or jammed circulation motor pump. And I would recommend either cleaning the filter to the pump or calling Miele directly and ask them for the circulation motor filter hook tool. And use that to unjam or free up the circulation motor pump. The tool is designed by Miele to work with only their machines and to easily fix this problem. It comes with a set of instructions for use and will only take about 30 minutes to fix. And the best part about it is that if you call Miele directly, they will usually send the part out to you for free. Again, first find at what point in the cycle the light comes on and go from there. Performing the tests I describe above to fix your machine. If you need more help or find that the error light comes on during a fill cycle, please get back to me here and I will give you more specific instructions on how to access and clean the water valve. Or if you just have other questions or concerns, please feel free to get back in touch with me here and I will help you more. The Miele customer service number is XXXXX I. would call them if you find the error comes on when the machine is in a wash cycle. If you feel that I have answered your questions above, please remember to rate my performance below with OK service or better rating so that I may get credit for helping you from the website. But if you feel that I have not yet helped you enough, please don't leave negative rating. Please just simply hit the reply button so that you can come back here and I can help you more until you are completely satisfied with my help. And should you have more questions after positively rating my performance below, even at a later time, please come back here at any time and I will help you more for no additional charge. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.